Hey guys, today I am talking about rares that I think will be in 2019 Rare Week. This doesn't mean that they all will be because this is my personal opinion. Because if you didn't know, Rare Week is about demand. So it's like if you don't have a good demand, then too bad for you. So I don't know if you're using so let's look up Pluto. So I will be using the account Pluto for this video. Because she has a lot of rares. So I will be using her account. Okay. So I'm not big with rares because I don't know. I only like certain rares. I don't like all of them. In fact, I hate a lot of rares. Hold on. I have to do something. I could just go like that, but okay. Okay. Now y'all can't hear things, and I can't either, so that's good. Now we gotta look up Pluto again. Okay. It's not actually her backup. I have a mouse today, guys. I'm so happy. Okay. I think we're gonna start off with the hair, cause I don't know, hair is a big rare. I feel like hair is the biggest rare that I collect, like category-wise. They're just my favorite types of rares to collect. First rare. Sorry, I mean, I feel like water hair will come back. I know it's a D-pack, but maybe, I don't know what this hair is called. I don't think it's at all coming back. This one, a lot of people want, as with this one. But like I said, not a lot of people want this one anymore because it's an old rare. I will admit, I want it, but it's not that cute anymore. This hair, it looks good on her avatar, but with a lot of different avatars, they look weird, so I don't think that one's gonna come back. The same with this one, it looks like weird. I don't know. This hair. I do think this is going to come back. Because when this D-pack came out, everybody went insane. The pet was insanely popular. I feel like this hair and the pet is going to come out. So. It's closed. I hope Jacket Girl comes back. It's such a cute rare. I don't know, it's so cute. I've never seen any of these other shirts before, so I'm not positive. Okay. I feel like everybody wants Princess Top to come back just because it's cute, not because it's rare. Well, everybody has different opinions. Next account, we're gonna look at what is her username. I have her YouTube account and her account's always in there. Hold on. I'm so hold on. So The account I'm on now is Glam Slant because I love her channel. It's Glam MSB. She's such a good YouTuber. It's a he, but I call her him, she. I gotta find some other participants because he doesn't just have it in his inventory. You gotta go back. This rare a lot of people like, but when it came out during like the Christmas rare week, no, it was VIP, so not like non-VIP owners could buy it. And I have a lot of them. I love it. It's so cute. This rare, a lot of people have wanted for a long time, but it has never came back. I don't remember what pack that's from, but all I know is that a lot of people wanted it and they never came back. Miss Goldie, it's a level up diamond pack and it was in a rare week, so I feel like almost everybody has it. So I don't really know about that one. I do think this skirt's gonna come back though, it's cute. This corset, I don't know, but these tattoos everybody wants. I don't know, I like the tattoos too, they're cute. This hair was in a rare week. Spiderweb shirt, I don't know. This one I definitely think is gonna come back because it's so cute. And like everybody likes the tattoos. These, yeah, everybody likes these pants. This hair, I'm pretty sure, was one of the rare items that was glitched into the shops. Teethy was in a rare week, so nobody really likes it anymore because it was in a rare week. Other than that, it's cute. Fen, of course they're gonna bring Fen back even in a rare week. They always bring Fen back in 2 rares. These eyes, girl, I love these eyes. That's really all the rares I could think of. I really am not, I don't have high hopes for the cartoon set to come back, like, at all. Yeah, I don't have high hopes for that. Because, like, it was a good rare, but they were good rares, but, like, nobody had them. Everybody wanted them, and then everybody was starting to get them, and people were getting scammed, so they wanted it back. But I think it's that old of a rare of a set that I don't think they're going to bring it back at all. Sorbet, they better not bring it back because it is one of my favorite rares. And I feel special now that I have it, so please don't bring it back. MSP. That's really all I could think of. I do think Cupid's dress is going to come back. And I already said this one. I have high hopes for Cupid's dress. Even though everybody said that was going to come back in the last rare week, it didn't. So this one came back finally, and apparently it's in shops now, which is not true because I cannot find it. Goldie dress, I don't know. I think it's ugly, so I have no hope for that one either. Yeah, that's really all I could think of. But if you guys like this video, make sure to like the video and comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.